All right, morning everybody. I'm back at it again, looking for smallies. So today we are out on the river. This is a new section that I haven't hit before. I've always had really good luck on the river, other than last year when I managed to flip my kayak. So we're going to try not to do that again today, and we'll see what we can catch. A little drizzly out, not quite as nice as I would prefer, but I mean, it's better than being at work. So now, for those of you curious as to how I managed to flip my kayak last year, I had an anchoring situation where I dropped anchor. It caught a rock and it caught it hard, and I used to just throw my anchor over the side and hook it to one of these handles, but now I have an actual anchoring system, so if I do need to anchor, I can keep my boat in line with the current, and it's a lot less likely to throw me over. So I think this morning I'm going to start out throwing a little crankbait, try to cover some water, see how active these fish are going to be, and go from there. Something just splashed behind me. We'll assume it was a huge fish and not the turtle that it most likely was. So the river up here kind of forks out around these islands a little bit. It looked like a really good spot on the map, which is why I picked it for the day. So just going to kind of work in and out of these edges. Typically those smallies will stick towards the shorelines, find big rocks to hide behind. So I'm going to look for anything that looks like it might be slowing the current down. Any brush, any logs, anything like that, and it's typically where they're hiding out. So one of the many benefits of having the pedal drive is I can effectively troll. And there's a fish. All right, what do we got? Now, obviously, I'm in the river. This could be anything. Oh, but that is our target fish. Good morning. that's a good way to start the day. So glad to see that they're hitting a crankbait that's moving pretty quick. So means they're hungry, means they're feeding. So see, this is the only problem with fishing the river without proper anchoring. So I was just up there, and now I'm right back where I started. Now I gotta pedal my way back up. It's good exercise. Nice one. Come on. I know. Big mama getting ready to spawn. All right, go have those babies. Now I know that there are fish in here. I don't know that they're smallmouth. Catfish love to hide out and stuff like this too, right on the bottom against the logs. The problem is, it's really hard to get at them without catching lumber every time. And then even if you do get a fish on, they just wrap themselves up in all that foliage and you can't get them out anyway. And then you lose the fish and the hook stays in the fish. It's just bad news all around. So, unless I can actively see where I'm throwing, we're just going to stick to the edges of the debris. Well, it's been pretty slow through those little side channels. And by slow, I mean I didn't catch anything. I didn't miss anything, and I didn't see anything. So we're kind of heading out back onto the main portion of the river. Definitely more spots to try. There was virtually no rock bottom back there. It was almost pure sand and then the trees in the river. So that's, I think the Smallies just, they love their rocks. So we'll go try to find some more rocks. There we go. That feels like a good one. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a beauty. Right in that 17-18 range. Love it. Take a quick picture of this guy. Alright, see you later. I like fish. Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Jesus. Oh, he hit like a freaking truck. Oh. Gee, it just about took the rod out of my hand. Whew, there we go. There we go. Oh, yeah, that's a tank. Oh, big boy. Probably big girl. You get measurements on her. Yeah, 17 and a half. Beautiful. Ugh, all day. Could do it all day, every day. Tell your friends. There we go. Oh man, they're just gorgeous out here. This one doesn't feel quite as big, unless he's just swimming at me. Ah, he's just a little guy. Come here, little guy. Easy. Easy, easy. Come on, come on. Ow. Hey. Could you not? Could. Please? Hey, stop it. All right. Now you're just ornery out here. Let me get a hold of you. There we go. See? It wasn't so hard. There. Last thing I want is a treble hook in my hand. It just ruined my whole day. So we're going to try to avoid that at all costs. Well, I'm gonna work my way around this shore a little bit more and cut back over and head back to the car here in just a little bit. So it's another good day. Got some good fish in the boat. I didn't mind this spot. The other location that I normally go to for the Mississippi is a little bit closer of a drive, and I'd like to say I've hit bigger fish there too. So we'll see if I come back here or not, but it's always nice to try some new spots, and it was still very productive. So if I don't catch anything else before the end of the day, we're going to call this goodbye. We'll see you next time. All right, so we've got a bonus fish here, but it is the wrong species. Oh, and it's kind of a monster. Oh, I don't even know what to do with it. Come here, buddy. Let the camera see you. Oh. All right. So this is what appears to be a rather large catfish. Yeah, there he is. Come here. Calm down. Okay. See if you'll even fit in my net. Come here. Come here. Come on. Oh, there we go. What you doing out here, huh? What you doing? There we go. Stabbed. Where are you? There we go. Come here. There we go. So that is a beautiful catfish. Certainly not our target fish today, but yeah, I'll take a big fish. All right, get out of here.